Hello YouTubers, I'm gonna do a brief review on the Benchmade 4300 SBK CLA. As you can see, this is a Benchmade in the black class. There's blue class and there's also a black class. The black class is more oriented towards tactical, military and law enforcement. Now, as you can see here, this is an everyday carry knife, and it is also tactical. The reason why I chose this model over the previous model that I had, the Barrage 583 SBK, it is because this one is fully automatic and I like the auto function. Now, I still like the Barrage 583, and weight wise it's not that inconvenient, but this device here, this knife here, weighs only 3.47 ounces. It's very light. It is made out of 154 cm steel, and it has a, when it's fully open, it's approximately, according to the specifications, 7.85 inches. And the type of blade is going to be a drop point. So I'm going to open the box. I hope I can get a good zoom here so that you can see the model is the 4300 CLA. CLA stands for Composite Lite Auto. I'm gonna open the box now, and this is how the unit came. It comes in this sleeve brochure, and this is the sleeve where the knife comes in, and here's the knife. So this is the 4300 CLA knife made from Benchmade. It has a very neat locking mechanism here, or safety. This would be on, ready to open. This would be locked. This is how it looks in the back. You can see the Benchmade logo there on the clip, and these clips, well, obviously they're interchangeable. Now the handle is made out of some sort of it's called black contour G10 material. So now I'm gonna put it in green, right, ready to open, and I'm gonna open it up. There you go. Close it again. I'm going to open it again. This is how it looks. Turn around here. It's very neat. It doesn't weigh that much, and it can be used as an everyday carry. I do use it as an everyday carry. I live in Florida, and before I purchased the knife, I did my research as far as legalities, what is legal to carry and what's not. And according to the state of Florida, the only type of knives that are illegal are any type of propelled knives. And in addition to that, I hold a concealed weapons license, and I mean that's on top of that. I'm qualified as an armed security guard, so I do have multiple licenses in the state that I hold, and I shouldn't have a problem carrying this as an everyday carry I've heard in other states such as California it is illegal to have a full auto knife. um, I guess an assisted open would be legal in that state, but I'm not really sure. If you're interested in getting a model such as these, I would first check the local laws in your state to see if they are legal, if it's legal to carry an automatic knife to begin with, because you wouldn't want to end up getting in trouble. And if you do not have a concealed weapons license or any other type of credentials, unless you're in the field, right, of law enforcement or active duty military personnel, then I guess that wouldn't apply. But again, I'm not here for to give you any legal advice. I'm not an attorney. I'm just here to do a brief unpacking and small review on the Benchmade 4300 SBK CLA. I'm gonna open it one more time. It's beautiful. It's serrated because it's SBK. Here's the Benchmade logo and the locking mechanism. If I lock it here, it will not close. It won't close because it's locked. I will have to first unlock it and then it closes without any issues. Very smooth, very light. Closed is only 4.45 inches long, as opposed to other units that may exceed 5 inches long and weight over 5 ounces. But again, it depends on your type of working field and what you need to use the knife for. In my case, I use it mostly as letter openers, cutting wires, plastics, wraps, unboxing, and anything else that I can do around the house. And this serves a great purpose. And in addition to that, it is a perfect weapon for self-defense as well. So again, thank you for watching my video. For those of you who will watch the video, this was a brief review on the Benchmade 4300 SBK CLA Composite Lite Auto. Thank you very much. Have a great day or evening, depending on what part of the world you're in.